Good afternoon, NOA. The pictures that you see on this podcast are of students around the world who have difficult journeys to school. What you will notice as you look at them is the commitment and determination of these students to get to school, sometimes in challenging and dangerous circumstances. For some of them, education represents the difference between life and death. Being educated means the ability to gain employment and to provide food and shelter for their families. It is this that drives them to endure hardships and to risk their safety just to get to school. Compared to these children, you are extremely lucky. Education in the UK doesn't represent the difference between life and death. It is less dramatic for you than it is for those children. Education for you represents freedom. Being educated allows you to make choices about what you want to do, where you want to go, and allows you to enjoy the world you live in. For example, better qualifications give you more choice about which university you go to or what course you study, and it may also give you more choices about the job that you will do. At this stage in your life, when you may not know what you want to do, it is important for you to give yourself as many choices as possible. Being well educated means that you can discover what you are good at and to realise your potential, and this is the reason that you come to school. As you look at these pictures, I want you to contrast the lives of these students with your own. Your journey to school probably took between 5 and 25 minutes and involved a short walk or a bus journey. Remember to appreciate just how easy it was for you to get here this morning and to value the excellent education you receive when you arrive. Mrs. Cooksley will now talk to you about Cambridge and what it means to be part of Cambridge College.
Good afternoon, NOA. I hope everyone has had a lovely weekend. I'd like to remind students that our first college ethos event will be a college mastermind held at lunchtime on the 22nd of October. Applications for the college mastermind are available from Student Services, D1 and the DT office. Deadlines for the applications are the 7th of October. This week I'm going to talk to you about Cambridge and why we choose Cambridge as a college at NOA. The city of Cambridge is in the county of Cambridgeshire and is about 50 miles north from London. Its population in 2001 was 123,000, which includes a large number of university students. There is archaeological evidence of farming and trading in Cambridge from the Roman and Viking times, and Cambridge was reported in the 1068 Domesday Book. Its industries are high technology, software and bioscience. Cambridge is associated with many sports from cricket to rowing and varsity rugby. Cambridge played a unique role in the invention of modern football as the first set of rules were drawn up by members of the university in 1848. The city of Cambridge also holds many art galleries, museums and festivals, especially with famous bands such as Pink Floyd. Cambridge is most widely known as the home of the University of Cambridge, founded in 1209 and consistently ranked first of the top 5 universities in the world. It includes the renowned Cavendish Laboratory, King's College Chapel and the Cambridge University Library. The university was also famous for its legacy of scholarship and historic influence, which helps create the structure for a strong sense of community. There is a common ethos and vision with the university working hard to remain at the front of international recruitment and research. Cambridge Uni has been home to some of the most well-known, influential and respected people in the world. Scientists such as Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin and Stephen Hawking all studied at Cambridge, as well as comedians Sacha Baron Cohen, aka Ali G, John Cleese and Stephen Fry. The author A.O. Milne, who wrote the Winnie the Pooh books, and Thomas Taylor, a well-known illustrator who created the book cover for Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. There is a huge diversity in the people who are successful at Cambridge Uni, because we can also include the actors Emma Thompson from Nanny McPhee, Rachel Weisz from The Mummy, as well as model Lily Cole in its alumni. The university's mission is to make outstanding contributions to society through education, learning and research at the highest international level of excellence. Its ethos is freedom of thought and expression, freedom from discrimination. Our values are similar to this at NOA, a positive emotional climate where all are welcome and valued. As a Cambridge College student, your relentless focus on high standards and excellent standard of work reflect the same qualities and expectation required at Cambridge University. We have seen this demonstrated through repeated success in ABC Week competitions.